going to discuss about chapter 11 construction exercise 11.2. In this exercise they tells about a construct a tangent to a circle. Tangents in circle chapter already you learned how many tangent in one circle is there. P is a point outside the circle and O is a center of the circle. How many tangent can be drawn? How many tangent? Two tangent can be drawn when a point outside the circle. Next, one point is there. O is the center of the circle. P is a point on the circle. How many tangent can be drawn? One tangent. We can draw how many tangent? One tangent only. Another, one more. O is a center of the circle. P is a point inside the circle. How many tangent? Here no tangent possible to draw. So remember, when a point outside the circle, how many tangent we can draw? Two tangent. Here, in circle different points we can mark and infinite number of tangent we can able to draw, but one point only means how many tangent? Two tangent we can draw. That is the second exercise, tangent construction. Then tangent construction is the one thing you remember here, basis of given values, circle are drawing. Then the tangent how to draw means here point P is there, O is the center, like this way there. Here tangent how to draw means one more circle, each and every question like that only. One more circle draw. How to draw that one more second circle? Distance between O to P take. Draw the perpendicular bisector. In the class also you learned how to draw the perpendicular bisector. Draw more than half taken. Yeah, suppose O to P is 10 centimeter means more than half become half of 10 is 5, more than half become 5.5. Using 5.5 centimeter, O as center draw arc up and down. P as center opposite arc draw up and down. Both arc joined with a straight line. Where this perpendicular touch cutting of the OP line, that intersecting point mark any alphabet. Your alphabet mark your choice. I just mark O dash. Then always O dash as center. O to O dash distance or O to P. Why? Both are same distance only, same radius only. Then O dash as compass, take O dash as center. Draw a second circle in this way. Drawing. These two arcs where they are intersecting, that point you can, they are also alphabet your choice. Any alphabet you can give. Then with respect to, we draw the tangent for the first circle, not the second circle. That's why with respect to first circle, P is the outside point. So P to Q point and P to R point joining time, we get two tangent. That is the procedure. Always we want two circle. That two circle intersecting point mark and outside point to marking point joining them, you get the tangent. So now first we go through first question. In first question they says about draw a 6 centimeter circle, radius circle. Circle first of all. Circle first of all we want to draw here. Then afterwards from center to 10 centimeter outside. From center to draw a line outside of the circle. There you mark any alphabet, draw the tangent. That is the first question. So first of all what we want to do? Draw a 6 centimeter circle. So 6 centimeter take first compass. What are the instruments in this exercise? We need a scale and a compass we need. First 6 centimeter radius take 6 centimeter 0 to 6 centimeter. Then keep a compass and draw a 6 centimeter radius circle. Where we are keeping the sharp end of the compass, that is the center of the circle. There you can mark a point O. O to here. Any center to any point joined with a line, that line we call it as a radius. So here we can say OA is the radius of the circle. How much distance? O to A, how much radius circle? This one has 6 centimeter radius circle. Then next what they have given in the question, from center to 10 centimeter outside, draw a mark a point. That's why from center O to measure 10 centimeter. 10 centimeter measure and mark a point. That point we give name an alphabet to P. So P is a point outside this circle. Then O to A is 6. That's why A to P because how much? Anyhow, O to P total distance we know how much 10. That means 6 is added with 4 centimeter. We get a total distance 10. OP distance is 10. Then you next process. What we want to do? How to get a second circle? Draw the perpendicular bisector. How to draw the perpendicular bisector? More than half. Here O to P distance is how much? 10 centimeter. Half of 10 because how much? 5. Exact 5 means arc are not getting. That's why 5.5 centimeter. Take in which way arc are constructing? O as and draw an arc. Up also same way, down also we want O as and draw. Same way P as and opposite arc up and down. And not touching means adjust your compass and here touch that. Then through the two arc joined with a straight line. Through two arc joined with a straight line. This is the perpendicular bisector. This perpendicular bisector cut OP line, intersecting OP line. That point you can give any alpha, that is your choice. I mark O dash as the that cutting point. Then O dash as center, O dash O as radius. This way O to O dash distance take. O dash to O distance, and same way O dash P are same only. Why? Because perpendicular passing through the center of that line. That's why. Then O dash keep a center. Second circle draw. Remember that circle passing through our O and P. Not passing means somewhere measurement become wrong only. That's why. Then O to then O dash keep center and draw the second circle. Then here first and second circle intersecting point mark. These 2 points, the 2 circular intersecting. There you can give any alpha Q and R. Then with respect to first circle, P is the outside point. PQ and PR are the tangent. They are joining time. These 2 points are joining time. We get tangent. PQ is first tangent. PR is the second tangent. This is the construction of the first question. I hope you can understand. Steps also you can write it. Then next justification. What about the justification? Justification means here we want to prove that length of which are the tangent PQ and PR are same length. In circle chapter you learned here point is on the outside of the circle. We can able to draw 2 tangent, both of them length become equal. You learned in circle chapter. So justification also doing and prove that both length become a PQ and PR length become equal. How to prove that means with respect to O center, O is the center of first circle. Join or draw a radius. That means the O to Q join. Actually O to Q is the radius of the first circle. There one rule you property you learned, radius and tangent. From radius to tangent, draw a perpendicular means they make a how much degree? 90 degree. That means two vertex become a 90 degree. With respect to 90 degree, which is now we get a right angle triangle. Here also we can do it, but we now not enough, not wanted, just a justification case, one right angle triangle enough. Then OP with respect to Q vertex, OP is the hypotenuse and OQ is the altitude and PQ is the base. Pythagoras theorem apply. OP value is hypotenuse, mean how much is the distance? O2A is 6 plus 4 comes to be 10 centimeter. Then O2Q is equal to the radius of the first circle. That is how much? 6 centimeter. Radius is already we know that radius of a circle is 6 centimeter. And PQ value we don't know. Third side value how to find out? Pythagoras theorem applies. So in triangle OPQ, OP is the hypotenuse square equal altitude square plus a base is PQ square. OP value represent as a 10 square and OQ value represent as radius of the circle, that is 6 square. PQ we don't know, we want to find. 10 square represent as 100, 6 square represent as 36 plus PQ. 100 minus plus 36 bring to left side, we change it to minus. So PQ square become 100 minus 36 to become 64. This implies that we want a PQ side. Take square root of 64. What is the square root of 64? 8 cm. That means PQ is our tangent. Same way PR also how much? PQ and PR both of them have a equal length. How much is the length? 8 cm. That this is the justification. I hope you can understand the first question. Then next we go through second question. Second question also same thing only. Here just slight difference is it is a concentric circle. Concentric. What about concentric circle? Two or more circle have a same center. Such a circle we call it as a concentric circle. There also they tells that first you draw 4 centimeter circle. Afterwards you draw a 6 centimeter circle. Then you get a concentric circle. Then draw the tangent for the 4 centimeter. That is a first circle. Draw a tangent for the first circle. That is the meaning of the second question. Here also same procedure. How to do? First draw the help of the compass and scale a 4 centimeter circle. Draw a 0 to 4 centimeter. Take and draw a circle. 0 to 4 centimeter, take and draw a 4 centimeter circle. 4 centimeter circle draw. Next step, here they keep O as center. Then radius draw. O to A distance represent as a radius of first circle, that is a 4 centimeter. Next which centimeter? 6 centimeter. Take out scale and compass. 6 centimeter take and again O as center 6 centimeter. Second circle drawing. Second circle also drawing. And what is the radius of that circle? Outer circle radius become O2. This much distance. There you mark an alphabet. POP represent as a radius of the outer circle. How much distance? O to A represent as how much? 4. Then A to P, how much getting there? 4 is added with 2, we get 6. So AP distance is 6 or O to P distance represent as how much? 4 plus 2 become a 6 centimeter. Then here also draw the perpendicular bisection. We want to construct the perpendicular tangent for the first circle. How to draw the tangent to the first circle? There also draw the perpendicular bisector for for the first circle. Perpendicular bisector, how to draw? OP distance, that is 4 plus 2, 6 centimeter. Half of 6 become 3 centimeter. More than half means 3.5 centimeter. Take out your compass, 3.5 centimeter taken. Measure 3.5 centimeter. Take out, then 3.5 centimeter. Then O as center, 3.5 centimeter are cup and down. Same way P as center, opposite are cup and down drawing. Both arc intersecting but joined with a straight line. This is a perpendicular bisector. Then OP line cutting the perpendicular bisector. That point you can give any measurement. There I mark an alphabet O dash. Here also same procedure. O dash as center, O dash O as radius. Take that measurement, O dash O as radius or O dash P as radius anyway. Then through O dash as center, O to P joined with a full circle. One circle were joining. This is a third circle. Then see first circle and third circle where they are intersecting here and here. That point you can give any alpha. Already P completed. Q and R. P to Q and P to R joining them we get the tangent. That's all. So with respect to first circle, P is the outside point. Outer circle is one circle. That one don't bother about. That part to leave. They are asking a tangent to draw for the first circle. That's why P first and third circle where they are intersecting, that 2 points marking. So PQ and PR are the 2 tangent for the first circle. That much only construction completed. Here also justification. How to do the justification? Center O and Q. O and Q or O and R. Any radius you can join. So for that, for justification, O to Q joining, or center to Q point are joining. Then we then OQ represent as radius of the first circle. Then radius and the tangent they make how much degree? 90. That's why Q vertex we can mark it as how much degree? 90. Look in time, OPQ is a right angle. In right angle triangle, 90 degree opposite side, that is OP side. Represent which side? Longest side, that is hypotenuse side. And OQ represent as a altitude side and PQ represent as base side. O to P distance is how much? 4 plus 2, 6 centimeter. Already we know. What about OQ? That is equal to radius of first circle. First circle radius is how much? 4 centimeter is the first circle radius. That value also we know. Which value we don't know? PQ. That is base of that right angle. PQ is equal to the tangent of the first triangle. That PQ value getting means we can say PR also same length measurement only we can say like that. So we steps writing afterwards justification. Justification is here we consider which triangle? OPQ right angle triangle. There Pythagoras theorem applied. OP is the hypotenuse. So hypotenuse square equal OQ is the altitude side plus PQ is the base side. OP distance 4 plus 2 becomes 6 square. OP is radius of the first circle, that is 4 square plus PQ is the tangent of the first circle, that is base. We don't know, we want to find 6 square become 36, 4 square becomes 16 plus PQ square. 16 bring to left side comes to minus 16 equal PQ square. So that is 6 minus 16 become how much? 20 is equal to PQ square. This implies that we want PQ side value. Take square root of 20. What is the square root of 20? Prime factorization 5 table. 20 means 4 times. Again 2 times 2. Again 2. Here 2 have pair but 5 have no pair. From pair 2, 1, 2 take outside, 5 have no pair, that's why they keep inside the root only. So PQ is the tangent, first tangent. How much we got? 2 root 5. That's why PR also, how much we can say? Both are equal only. How much units it will coming in? 2 root 5 will get in. That is the meaning of the second question. I hope you can understand the second question. Same way, third question. Third question also same process only. Third question there tells about here 3 centimeter circle. They are say to draw a 3 centimeter circle. Main circle, 3 centimeter is our main circle. That first circle, right side also extended and draw another circle. Extending and draw the tangent, 2 tangent. And left side part also extended to outside. There also draw the 2 tangent. And justification doing all tangent become how much same measurement. That is the meaning of the third question. Third question, our main circle is 3 centimeter circle. We draw the tangent for this 3 centimeter circle. Which side? Left side also 2 tangent we want to draw. Right side of the main circle case also 2 tangent we want to draw. That is the meaning of that question. So first we take draw a 3 centimeter circle. 3 centimeter circle, how to draw? Measurement to take 3 centimeter take, then draw a 3 centimeter circle like this. 3 centimeter circle. O as center. O as center you mark. Then O to A distance is how much? O to A distance they give us 3 centimeter. Same way, right left side part also distance or center to left side part also, because how much there you mark an alphabet to be. O to B distance is how much? 3 centimeter. So diameter of this means first circle because how much? 6 centimeter. Radius is 3 centimeter. Diameter asking time double of the radius. So diameter becomes 6 centimeter. What they ask? Left and right side from center to draw a 6 centimeter line segment, mark a points. Right side also mark outside point. Left side also mark outside point. Draw the 2 tangent in the left side and right side. So from center to how much distance? 7 centimeter. From O to O is our radius center. From O to outside how much centimeter? 7 centimeter extended. And mark an alphabet P. Same way left side part also. From center O to how much distance we require? 7 cm. Both left and right they ask to mark 7 cm. Total O to P 7. That means here to here already we know how much 3. 3 is added with 4 we get how much? 7 cm. So OA plus AP distance represent as 3 plus 4 comes to this. Same way left side part also. O to B already we mark how much that is equal to the radius of the first circle 3 cm. Then B to Q 3 is added with 4 we get 7. So O to Q full distance become 4 plus 3 is left also 7 centimeter. Right side of the center also first circle also become how much centimeter? 7 centimeter. Then construct the tangent for left side, right side part, and same way construct the tangent for the left side part. How to do that means construction you know. One more circle, that 2 first and that second circle, intersection point, we mark points and join it and we get a tangent. That is the procedure. No doubt. Then that second circle, how to draw? Draw the perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisector, how to draw? OP distance. OP distance is how much? 7. Half of 7 become how much? 3.5. More than 3.5 take. 3.5 more means 4 centimeter you can take. So O as center 4 centimeter. radius take arc up and down. Same way P as center, opposite arc draw. Then you join in time, you get a perpendicular bisector for the left side, right side part. This is the perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular touching our OP line, touching part, you can give any alphabet. I mark it as a O dash. O for knowing I mark here already O is there. For knowing O dash, you can give any alphabet. That is also your choice. Don't bother about the alphabetic keys. Then O dash as center, O dash O as a radius, draw a second circle. So, O dash P, both have a same distance. Why? Because this perpendicular passing through the center of the OP length. That's why. So, O dash as a center, O2, then O dash O as a radius, draw another circle, second circle, joining like this. First left side, right side construction complete, after all you go through left side. Otherwise, full make mistakes. Then see first circle and second circle. They are intersecting. Where they are intersecting, these 2 points, they are intersecting. There you can give any alphabet. PQ completed. That's why there we can mark it as R and S. So R and S joining them. Completed right side tangent. So PR and PS are the tangent for the first circle. Which side? Right side tangent. This is the right side tangent of the first circle. Which are the PR and PS are the two tangent for the first circle. How much centimeter? 3 centimeter circle. P is the point outside and PR and PS are the tangent on the right side of the first circle. Same way left side part also. Left side part how to construct? Same procedure. Same procedure means what is the procedure? Draw a perpendicular bisector. For which side? Left side. How to draw the perpendicular bisector? Center O to Q distance is how much? 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3 become how much? 7 centimeter. Half of 7 become how much? 3.5. More than half means how much? 4 centimeter. So 0 take a 4 centimeter. Take. Here where we keep O as center, O as center of this, that's why there you keep your compass perpendicular O as center and up and down arc draw. Same way 4 centimeter arc draw up and down. These two arc intersecting point joined with a straight line. Now we get a perpendicular for which side? Left side, OQ side. OQ line. Perpendicular, there you can give any alphabet. Here I mark O dash. So O double dash you can give this intersecting point. O double dash for avoiding confusion. Then O to O double dash distance to take, or O to O double dash, then distance to take, and O double dash as and draw a circle. Clearly you take here, properly not coming in the board, that's why I am doing a hand drawing. But yours compass take a measurement, clearly take and drawing the circle. Okay. Then now we do this second circle, this third circle and first circle, where first circle is our main circle. First circle and now left side circle where they are inside intersecting here and here. That point, intersecting point, you mark the points, joining time, you get a left side tangent. Which alphabet? R and S completed. So you can mark T and U. So Q to T and Q to U points are joining time. Left side tangent will get in there. I hope you can understand that. Left side tangent will become, which are the left side tangent? Q to T and Q to U are the left side tangent. Right side tangent is P to R and P to S are the right side tangent. So total 4 tangents are there. We want to justify that this 4 tangent measurement become equal only. How to measure justification doing any one here radius joining and make a one right angle triangle. Pythagoras theorem apply and any one tangent find out, then we can say all tangent measurement become any one. So just center here which is center O and T point. O is the center of the first circle. Main circle is 3 centimeter. There we mark center as O dash. O. Don't forget that. So center O to T point just joining time we get a right angle. Which is a right angle triangle? Here see O T Q is the right angle triangle. One triangle enough. So 4 triangle are possible, but one triangle enough. There we apply OQ distance is, then there also that circle rule applying. Radius drawing time, radius draw to the tangent, they make how much degree? 90 degree. 90 degrees opposite side represent as hypotenuse. So which is the hypotenuse? OQ is the hypotenuse and TQ is the base and OT is the altitude. OT is the altitude, means that is equal to the radius of the first circle. Measurement is 3 and OQ is the hypotenuse, means that is equal to how much centimeter? 4 plus 3 7 centimeter. But tangent QT is the base of that right angle triangle. That base is equal to our tangent of the first circle. Which side? Left side circle tangent. That value we don't know. How to find out the third side value? Pythagoras theorem apply and find out the third circle value. Justification. Here also justification we want to justification. There we consider which triangle, which is a right angle triangle. OTQ is our right angle triangle. 90 degrees T. How to get 90 degree? Radius and tangent to make how much degree? 90. That's why T vertex become 90 degrees opposites. That is Q. OQ is the hypotenuse and OT is the altitude. That is equal to radius of the first circle and QT is the base of that circle. OQ value is how much? O to Q distance 4 plus 3 become 7 square. And OQ value, OT value is how much? That is equal to radius of our first circle. How much radius circle? Firstly we drawn a 3 cm. So 3 square plus QT value we don't know. 7 square become how much? 14. 3 square become how much? 9 plus Q2 square. 9 bring to left side. So 49 minus 9 is equal to Q2 square. 49 minus 9 become how much? 40 equal Q2 square. We want Q2 side. This implies that Q2 side is equal to take square root of 40. Square root of 40, how to get a 5 table is unit place 0 means prime number 5 use 8 times. 8 is an even number, that's why divide prime factorized with prime number 2. These two have pair, but 1 5 and 1 2 have no pair. That 2 5 and 2 are keep inside the root. From this pair to a table, from pairing box, from box 1 2 take outside. Last year you learned Hirschman's formula, pairing and taking outside. 5 and 2 have no pair, that's why they keep inside the root and multiply. 5 2s are how much? 10. They are inside the root by because it have no pair. That's why Q2 value become how much? 2 root 10. Q2 is the tangent. Same way QU is also how much? 2 root 10. Same way right side case tangent. Which are the tangent? PR also 2 root 10. All tangent become equal. And PU also equally. So PS also equally how much? 2 root 10. All 4 tangent become a same measurement. That is the meaning of this question. I hope you can understand how to construct the tangent of a circle. Try to understand this one. Remaining question we can discuss on the next class. Thank you.